Let's make a simple no-sew lanyard. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we're going to be using this hem adhesive. I got it at Joann Fabrics, and I'm using the super one. This is how wide it is. I'm also using some webbing, also from Joann, and then I got these from Amazon. They're little key fob hardware and the pliers. Now I have some ribbon from Dollar Tree, and it says live, laugh, love, and it's adorable. I cut them to about, I'm going to say 14 inches, but you know what? Cut it to, if it's too big for your wrist, then do it smaller. But I'm going to cut each piece, the webbing, the ribbon, and the hem adhesive, all the same length. Again, it's about 12 to 14 inches. And I actually cut down my hem adhesive because it was too wide, but I didn't have any other of the Super Bond one. So yeah, we do with what we can. Now we're going to sandwich them all. We're going to put down the webbing, then our hem adhesive, then our ribbon. And then I like to just tack mine just so that it doesn't move. I have a tendency, listen, I'm a messy crafter, and sometimes I knock into stuff. I'm clumsy. I don't see what I'm doing. And next thing you know, I've got to do the whole thing over again. So this kind of ensures that I don't, move it. And then, oh, good, we have to move it and recenter it and all of the things. So I just clip it, and then I have iron it in sections. I don't do the whole thing at the same time because I find that it moves and it shifts, and I don't like that. So you do also want to make sure you put some parchment paper or some protectant on the top, because this is nylon and it will melt. So all I'm doing is I have it on cotton hide because that's the only setting I know. So I put my parchment paper down and maybe 5 seconds. I don't move my iron around a lot, only because, again, we don't want everything to shift. So I'll put it on for 5 seconds, and go down the length of it. After you do that, then you can iron it back and forth and move the iron better. But before then, you want to just be mindful. Then once I let it cool, then I just trim the ends. Then you're going to take your tails, put them together. This is so kiss simple. I can't even, you're going to love this. It's such a good gift idea. So then we put our hardware in, then take our pliers, and you could use regular pliers, but this one came with a kit. And I just squeeze it. That's it. And then I go over and make sure that it's really adhered, make sure that it's really centered, because sometimes it can come out, and that's annoying. When that happens, it's irritating. But this time we got it. We were mindful. And then I just snug it right down, and that's, friends, are you kidding me? Stop it. What a fun gift idea this is. I mean, you could make them with any kind of ribbon. You could give them to, teachers' assistants. If you need a quick gift, and listen, I'm going to tell you right now, my awesome ADHD sensory special brain, I don't do Christmas until this week. Yes, you heard me right. Love me through it. But there are some of you out there that are the same. And here you go. Here's a quick gift idea for you. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.